Hello there, I'm Stalo from Photoshop PixelMind. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a realistic tattoo in Photoshop just like this. You see how realistic it looks? Like this is the before and this is the after. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the tattoo we are going to be using. It have a white background. Even if your own doesn't have a white background, it will still work. If you have the one that does not have a white background, it will even work better to make our work very easy. But if you have the one that has a background just like mine, you have nothing to worry. So we are going to place this tattoo over to this model here by just clicking and drag, or you can copy and then you paste, and then you want to right click on the image and convert to smart objects in order not to lose pieces. Now you want to press Ctrl T or Command T to either scale or rotate the image in order to be able to place it on the right path. Now you want to also reduce the opacity so that we can see what we are doing. Or to reduce the opacity, you want to press Ctrl T or Command T to transform again. You can either click the warp tool or you click this tool over there. It works the same thing with the warp tool. Then you just have to click on the nudge and start dragging on the part of the skin and the hand that is not yet covered with tattoo. Don't mind even though the tattoo is wearing out of the hand into the shirt or maybe into the armpits. Don't bother, we are going to fix that. Just have to drag it to cover the skin parts. When you are done, you click the check icon over there. We can increase our opacity, and we want to change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Our tattoo is coming to life already, but we are still far from being done. As you know, we have to fix all those things that are wearing out on the parts of the skin, both the shoulder that are wearing out. To do that, we want to go to filter menu, then liquify. Filter menu, then liquify. Before we do anything, you want to scroll down and check on show backdrop. You want to, from the hues, you want to make sure that you set it on background, and the mode you want to set it on behind. Opacity 50 is fine. Okay, you have to click on the forward warp tool. With the forward warp tool selected, you just have to click on any place that is showing on the skin where the tattoo have not reflected. You just have to drag it out so that the tattoo will cover that place. On the place where the tattoo covered and it's showing on the shirt, you just have to drag in order to take it out from the shirt, and you just have to be careful over it. Next, we want to click on the blot tool. What the blot tool does is that it helps us pump out the muzzle. As you can see, pumping out the muzzle, that is the muzzle on the shoulder, to make it look realistic so that the tattoo fits in on the model's hand very well. That is what the blot tool does. When you are done and you know everything is okay, you have to click. When you are done and you are fine with everything, you have to click OK. You see the changes. And we still have other steps to do. We are going to blur it a little bit, just a little bit, and then we do some other works on it. To blur, you want to click on filter menu, then you want to click on blur, then Gaussian blur. 0.4 pixels is enough. And the next thing we are going to do now is to reduce the color, but not with opacity but with blend mode. We want to reduce the black a little bit, and also to make it more settled on it. We want to make the black more settled on the skin, and also the brighter part we also want to make it more settled on the skin. To do that, you just have to drag that part on the other line layer and to separate it in order to make the color transition very well. You want to hold Alt or Option on your keyboard. It will be separated. Normal eraser, just have to click the eraser and then you right click to choose the brush tool. This is the one we need without any hardness. But before you do that, we have to rasterize the layer. That is why that thing is showing over there. And when done, just have to use the brush to clean on the parts we don't need. Remember, it's a soft round brush. This with zero hardness, just have to paint around and it will clean. And this is how you make a real tattoo in Photoshop. Isn't this wonderful? If you've learned anything, just to encourage us to keep creating more content, like this video and then you subscribe. You can also share with your friends. Thank you. Peace. See you on the next one.